Mrs. West and Mr. Tompkins are teachers. Mrs. West is an English teacher. Mr. Tompkins is a science teacher. They're in the classroom now. Mrs. West is teaching an English class. Mrs. Tompkins is watching the class. Tom and Carol Baker are in the classroom. They are students. They are studying English. Articles. An. This is a book. That's an umbrella. He's carrying a camera. That's an orange. Mrs. West is an English teacher. Mr. Tompkins is a geography teacher. He's picking up an apple. She's carrying a ruler. This. These. This book is on the desk. These boxes are on the table. She's opening this lunchbox. This is her umbrella. These pencils are her pencils. He's writing these words. He's reading this magazine. That. Those. That camera is his camera. Those notebooks are his notebooks. That teacher is his science teacher. That car is her car. She's carrying those books. Those words are on the blackboard. Sally is talking to those boys. She's studying at that school. Some. Sentences. This is a banana. That's an apple. This is an orange. That's a pear. They're playing cricket. This is a hat. Mr. Tompkins and Mrs. West are teachers. These are rulers, those are cameras. Dick and Sally are students. This is a newspaper, That is a magazine. These are newspapers, those are magazines. He's studying arithmetic. Yes. No. Questions. He's studying arithmetic. Is he studying arithmetic? They are studying arithmetic. Are they studying arithmetic? The girl is studying science. Is the girl studying science? The girls are studying science. Are the girls studying science? Prepositions. The boys are in the classroom. The camera is on the table. The girl is sitting at her desk. Sally is walking to school. John is talking to his teacher. She is writing with a pen. This is a piece of chalk.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.